Hello, this is Johnny Vlogger. We're at Playa Fanabe Beach. Let's go on the beach. Come on. Look at this lovely sand, lovely sun. Lots of people sunbathing. It's not mega packed, but it's got a nice enough amount of people on the beach. Where's Tom going? Here we go, we've got the Fiji bar there. Look at that, someone's made a tortoise out of sand. Let's film that. Clever, isn't it? So we're on Fanabe Beach. Nice yellow and black sand. You can see La Gomera over there. There's a big boat out there with 3 masts. I don't know if you can see it, about there. Look at this sea, it's lovely. Bit of pollution there, bit of plastic, we'll pick that up. Someone's dumped that. So you got Taviscus Beach here. Then you got Fanabe. As you can see, we've got nice blue sky. There's cloud inland, but that doesn't matter, it's over the mountains. Kids having fun on their little boat. Sea's coming in, will it get me? It's going to stop just in front of me, there you go. Right, let's go this way then. So there's a fair number of people on the beach. It's nice and warm, it's in the 20s. People are all sunbathing, getting a tan. A few red bodies. New arrivals. Bit like me, I go red. So we'll walk along here. Loads of flies. So we got a green flag today. That's good. Safe for swimming. Just walk along the beach. Nice stroll. Hello. So it's quite busy here. So we're going to walk up to where the bars stop. Someone's ball. So it's not packed, but there's people here. See La Gomera there. Boat with a parachute on it. Excursion. So you can hear the waves crashing. It's a lovely sound if you like that. Bit of music here and there. So what we'll do, we'll walk over to these steps, just here, and then we'll end the video. So if you like this video, click the thumbs up, If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It's Johnny Vlogger UK. It's free, it doesn't cost anything. And click the notification bell, the little bell. Then if you do that, you'll be notified when I release new videos and when I go live, and then you can watch them straight away. And please comment in my videos as well. And if you like them, share them with your friends. Okay? So we're outside the Spanglish Tapper Bar, which is next to the Winchester, which they're doing some work on at the moment. It's still there, they've taken the signs down, they're doing some renovation work. But I was told to be up and running again in a couple of weeks. So, there you go. So there's a big party going on here. Big group of people. Okay, so that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.